Hi guys, it's me, Anna's Mine. Today we're going to read the bedtime story. We're going to read my favorite story. I love pink. What's your favorite color? Are you ready? I love pink. I love pink. I love pink. My cat is orange, my dog is black, and my hamster is brown. But my room is pink. My bed is pink. My pillows are pink. My lamp is pink. My desk is pink. I love pink. I do not like red. I do not like blue. I do not like green. I only wear pink. I wish my cat wear pink. I wish my dog wear pink. I wish my hamster wear pink. Oops, now my pets are pink. I cannot find them. Where is my cat? Where's my dog? Where's my hamster? I wish my cat was orange again. A cat should not be pink. I wish my dog were black again. A dog should not be pink. I wish my hamster were brown again. A hamster should not be pink. I still love pink, but I love my cat, my dog, and my hamster more.